And we're still tracking the wildfires in Spokane tonight. The same FBI lead task force that kept drones away from the World Cup in Seattle has now been deployed to the wildfires there.
Yeah, as Cairo 7's Heather Bosch reports, firefighters say earlier this week, drones actually forced them to ground air support on those fires.
The good news is that within the last 24 hours, drones have been less of a problem. That task force honed its skills here by stopping drones that could have been used to target crowds. Now it's in Spokane to keep drones from interrupting firefighters.
We are done playing games with this.
A frustrated Spokane County Sheriff John Knowles earlier this week. He said drones were flying into the path of firefighting aircraft, forcing them to land for safety reasons. But he had a warning to drone operators.
We have an FBI task force for counter-drone measures here in place.
King County Sergeant Jason Stanley is on that task force, comprised of local, state, and federal agents. It's now in Spokane. The team was put together before the FIFA World Cup to keep drones away from crowds at matches.
FIFA was a wonderful opportunity for us to learn, and then we went right from FIFA to Seafair, and before Seafair, before the last jet landed at Seafair, we were on our way to Spokane County to help here.
He says the task force detects and interrupts drones that are violating airspace temporarily restricted for firefighting efforts.
That can be radar or radio frequency detectors and different ways to mitigate, whether it's taking control of a drone or confusing a drone.
They also deployed ground crews to find pilots operating the drones. He says the task force has detected 26 unmanned aircraft since Sunday and has contacted 4 drone operators who could face felony charges and fines.
We have cases that we have referred to the FAA for $100,000 fines each for being in that zone because they are actively disrupting firefighting efforts.
Word is getting out. Jason says there were no drones detected yesterday. He says always check the FAA website to find out when and where there is restricted airspace. In Seattle, Heather Bosch, Cairo 7 News.